Why are the people of Karbi-Anglong protesting? What's going on in Karbi-Anglong? Is it a communal clash? Or is it a protest against any religion? Is it a protest against the Biharis? The answer is no. Most importantly, it is not against the Bihari community. It is not against any religion. It is not a communal clash at all. We, the people of Karbi-Anglong, are protesting because illegal settlers in PGR and VGR land of West Karbi-Anglong. PGR is a professional grazing reserve land, and VGR is a village grazing reserve area. So in those areas, no one can own land rights. Neither the Karbis nor the Biharis or no other community can own any land rights in those reserve areas. But the illegal settlers of those areas are demanding land rights. So on 15th of February, Karbi Students Association and other associations came up to oppose this demand of the illegal settlers after taking legal permission from the authorities. But after protesting on their way back home, they were attacked by a group of Bihari boys. So it is not a communal clash, it is not a religion, it is not against any religion, and it is not against the Bihari community. We are protesting against the illegal settlers, the illegal demand of land rights by the illegal settlers in PGR and VGR land of West Karbi-Anglong. And we demand immediate eviction of those illegal settlers from those areas. We demand immediate eviction.